Deep in lush swamps and bogs, a strange world exists. Here, the line between plant and animal blurs. This is the realm of carnivorous plants. These fascinating organisms, with their captivating forms and alluring colors, possess a secret. They are skilled hunters, luring and trapping unsuspecting prey. Unlike their passive plant relatives, these botanical predators actively seek nourishment from the animal kingdom, turning the tables on the traditional food chain. Carnivorous plants are more than just fascinating oddities. They are testaments to nature's creativity and adaptability. They thrive in environments where the soil lacks essential nutrients, forcing them to find sustenance elsewhere. These plants have evolved an array of ingenious mechanisms to attract, trap, and digest their prey, showcasing the remarkable diversity of life on Earth. From the snap trap of the Venus flytrap to the sticky embrace of the sundew, each species tells a unique evolutionary story. Carnivorous plants, despite their predatory nature, are not immune to the basic needs of plant life. Like all plants, they require sunlight, water, and nutrients to survive. However, unlike their counterparts that thrive in nutrient-rich soils, carnivorous plants have adapted to environments where the ground is lacking in essential elements, particularly nitrogen and phosphorus. These nutrients are crucial for plant growth and development. Faced with nutrient-poor soils, these resourceful plants turn to an alternative source of sustenance: insects and other small creatures. By capturing and digesting their prey, carnivorous plants supplement their diet with the vital nutrients absent in their environment. This ingenious adaptation allows them to thrive in challenging habitats where other plants struggle to survive. The ability to trap and digest animals provides them with a competitive edge, allowing them to flourish in these specialized ecological niches. The world of carnivorous plants is a testament to the diversity and ingenuity of nature's designs. Each species has evolved unique trapping mechanisms, each more fascinating than the last. The Venus flytrap, with its iconic snap trap, is perhaps the most recognizable. Its leaves, resembling a gaping maw, are lined with sensitive trigger hairs. When an unsuspecting insect brushes against these hairs, the trap snaps shut with lightning speed, imprisoning the prey within its spiky embrace. Pitcher plants, on the other hand, employ a passive but equally effective trapping strategy. Their modified leaves form deep pitcher-like structures filled with a digestive fluid. Lured by the plant's enticing nectar and vibrant colors, insects venture into the pitcher, only to lose their footing on the slippery, waxy surface and tumble into the digestive pool below. The sundew, with its glistening dew-covered tentacles, presents a deceptively beautiful but deadly trap. Its leaves are covered in sticky glands, each tipped with a glistening droplet of mucilage that attracts unsuspecting insects. As the insect struggles to free itself, it becomes further ensnared in the sticky embrace, eventually succumbing to the plant's digestive enzymes. Carnivorous plants, masters of adaptation, are found in some of the world's most challenging environments. These botanical marvels thrive in habitats where other plants struggle to survive, demonstrating their resilience and evolutionary prowess. Bogs, with their acidic, nutrient-poor soils, are a haven for many carnivorous plant species. These waterlogged environments, often characterized by low oxygen levels and a constant supply of moisture, provide the ideal conditions for these specialized plants to flourish. Similarly, swamps, with their fluctuating water levels and nutrient-deficient soils, offer another suitable habitat for these fascinating plants. The ability of carnivorous plants to supplement their diet with animal prey allows them to thrive in these challenging ecosystems. From the southeastern United States to the rainforests of Southeast Asia, carnivorous plants have carved out their niche, showcasing the remarkable adaptability of life on Earth. Carnivorous plants, though often overlooked, play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of their ecosystems. As predators, they help regulate insect populations, preventing any one species from becoming overly dominant. This natural pest control is essential for maintaining the health and stability of their habitats. Moreover, These unique plants serve as indicators of environmental health. Their presence or absence can signal changes in water quality, nutrient levels, and overall ecosystem integrity. The decline of carnivorous plant populations can serve as a warning sign of environmental degradation, highlighting the interconnectedness of all living things. Therefore, protecting these fascinating plants is not just about preserving biodiversity, but also about safeguarding the health of our planet. We must ensure their survival for generations to come.